So welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're gonna do some chit chatting, and I'm going to review a product for you, and I'm also going to kind of show you how to apply press on nails, my take on press on nails, if I like it or not. And I came across something super cute on Amazon and I was like, I have to get it, I have to try it. This is the brand which I probably won't see it in like shops or not very known press on nails brand. Like I know Kiss press on nails are all over, like there seems to be the best one, everybody's using them and everybody's reviewing them. But I just came across this particular packaging or particular brand on Amazon and I really liked it. This is it looks like. It's a brand called YTZ pre-glued nails, and it's supposed to last you for a week. That's what it says, but you have to follow the instructions. Now the one I got is, this is the only this is the only design I could see, but it really caught my eye because it's super duper cute. Because if you look at it, they are like, oh my like, okay, the light is getting a little bit there, but there it is. Okay, if I push it back, yeah, you can see it. They are super cute, like they have emojis, they're very like summery but bit of like a fun kind of nails. So I really liked it, and I just thought, okay, I'm just gonna review it, I'm gonna test them out, and I'm gonna see how they look, how they fit and everything else. So this is going to be kind of like how to review and my take on press on nails. And we're gonna talk about a few things while we're gonna do this. Also, I'm doing another giveaway, and but you have to wait until the end of the video for me to reveal to show you what I will be giving away and what are the rules and everything else. Let's just get on to this press on nail business. So I'm just going to move the camera right to my working area so you guys can see. Begin with this press on nails, as I told you. So this is the brand, and these are the nails. So I don't know, I haven't sized them or anything yet, so we're just gonna do all this together. And also I have my Sally Hansen instant cuticle remover. I absolutely love this thing because it just makes your life quite easy, because with the grid file and buffer and just a normal file. And I got my cuticle pusher, which is a part of my nail kit, and also I have the cuticle remover and some scissors and the cuticle sticks as well. So everything I need for this, and I have like the glue came with the nail kit anyway, and I have one more glue sitting here, so I just like, okay, I'll go back and forward and see which one will work. So we're gonna begin with, first of all, start to prep my nails. So for prep my nails, I've already washed my hand and I haven't applied any moisturizer. My hands, and I haven't applied any moisturizer on my hand because your nails supposed to be like grease free and everything before you apply any sort of nails on your natural nails. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove all my cuticles and just prep my nail. So for that, I'm just gonna quickly apply this instant cuticle remover and just wait for a couple of minutes before I just go with my tool and start to remove everything, and just hoping everything will come off. My natural nails are super fragile right now because I have been practicing a lot of nail art on my own nails, and I don't know, I didn't realize like how much, because I only started doing nail art since last year, end of last year. So I won't say I'm an expert at this point. I'm still an amateur. I'm still learning things and everything, and I'm still learning to use the e-file more. Alright, so for the first thing first, we are going to fit the nails. So I'm just gonna move all of this stuff here. Oh, what is this? Cutie. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start. There's like a pattern here. I'm assuming, is this the bottom part or is this the top part? I think this is the top part. So okay, this is looking pretty good. I don't know how I'm going to style them at the moment, but for thumb this seems to be looking pretty good. They are not very long, which I really liked about it, because sometimes when the nails are too long, I'm not really totally happy about this, but this is too big. Okay, you know what? Okay, what I need to do is I just need to take some of them out so I can see all the sizes, and then we'll just take it from there. I guess there's like few patterns. I don't know how I'm going to work right now, but let's see what we have here. So for my thumb, I have sorted. Maybe, yeah, this looks good. Guys, so this is the final look. I'm super happy with them. They are looking, some of them from a close look will look a little unfitted, like they will look a little small, but I didn't had many variations to go with, or to, like, I didn't had many variations with sizes. That's the only thing I didn't like about this kit. But overall, I am loving, absolutely loving this style, this design. It's looking so super duper cute. So overall, I'm very happy with my nails. They turned out to be pretty good. So let's just talk about the giveaway now. So for giveaway, the rules and everything will be mentioned in the description box below. Giveaway is international. Anyone can just enter for this giveaway, no restriction whatsoever. Basically the rule is going to be, you have to follow me on Instagram, my Twitter, and you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's very important, once you've done all these 3 steps, to comment on my Instagram post to let me know done. Your account has to be public on the day the giveaway will be announced, so I can see it's a genuine account and it's not somebody who's creating the account and not planning to use it for long term, or only creating it for this giveaway. Again, as I said, the simple rule is one simple rule you have to get. So let me just show you what I will be getting. The first person will get Kali Bible Deluxe Edition, which is in collaboration with BH Cosmetics. Fenty Beauty Little Bronzer Duo, it's a matte stick and a bronzer powder. Huda Beauty Power Bullet Lipstick in shade Joyride, and 3D highlighter palette from Huda Beauty, and this one is Golden Sands Edition. So this is one. First winner will get all of this. The second winner will get a Kali Bible Deluxe Edition palette, again with BH Cosmetic collaboration, and also 25 Canadian dollar worth of Sephora gift card. So that's the second winner will get. So you will get $25 worth of Sephora gift card, but in Canadian dollar, and you can use it on Sephora website. So, or on Sephora website, and I think in any Sephora store or stuff like that. But this is going to be the giveaway. So the simple rule, as I mentioned, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel, you have to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and you have to tag one of your bestie in my Instagram post once it's announced on my Instagram as well. And also, once you've done all these steps, you have to make sure you comment on my Instagram post and let me know you have entered for this giveaway, you have subscribed to my channel, so I can see what's going on. And hope you enjoyed this quick press on nails tutorial. Let me know if you have any good press on nail suggestions, because I don't know how long I will be using them, but sometime when you're in a rush, it's best to just apply these than not having a perfect hands or nails at home. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and as usual, before you leave, if you can just subscribe to my channel, that would be really grateful. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that notification bell as well, or even if you are an existing subscriber, if you haven't hit the notification bell, you won't know when I post a new video. Good weekend, enjoy your life, be happy, be humble, be strong, and be positive. Love you all. Take care. Bye.